Hello, my name is Matthias Wiesholer, and I'm here to help you digitalize your manufacturing environment. Tools and tool planning have a major impact on part quality, setup time, and production costs. But these factors don't often receive much attention in discussions about optimization potential. That's because in many cases, the required data simply isn't available. This means that questions such as, how often do our tools get used? Or, do we really need to buy a new tool? Cannot always be answered easily. The StateMonitor software from HEIDENHAIN collects all of your machine status information and all relevant data about your tools, allowing you to perform detailed analyses based on tool calls, tool usage, and more. The StateMonitor software also has the possibility of speeding up your setup process with its tool difference list. By comparing the NC program with the tool table, this feature gives you a direct overview of any tools that may be lacking in the machine and thus need to be added. As you can see, it makes sense to take a closer look at your tools as a way of reducing setup costs and possibly also tool costs. We're happy to demonstrate StateMonitor online or on-site at your company. Simply contact us.